Good afternoon, I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute. Soybeans ended Friday mixed, mostly modestly lower, but well above the session lows. Soybeans are not on China's initial tariff list against the United States, but there is still definitely a lot of concerns about trade retaliation really across U.S. commodities at this point. Weekly export numbers on beans were bearish, and the expectations are that Brazil is going to pick up a lot of Argentina's lost business in the coming weeks. Corn was up modestly with some spillover support from wheat and soybean meal, which both saw some pretty decent commercial demand during the session. Still at this point for corn, they are expecting a big second crop out of Brazil. Weekly export sales on corn, good, not great. And wheat closed higher, supported by continued weather concerns in the southern U.S. plains and the eastern Midwest. Live and feeder cattle were lower ahead of the USDA's cattle on feed report. Box beef was down at midday as well, and those on-feed numbers turned out to be maybe even a little bit bearish than what many had been expecting. Still, a lot of that could be dialed into the deferred contracts at this point. And hogs closed lower. Pork is on China's tariff list, a 25% import tariff at that. Also, cash business during the session was steady to lower. Pork was up at midday, but it's lost a lot of ground as of late. I'm John Perkins with the Closing Market Minute.